Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Fortnite Chapter 3, fix waiting in queue or login error, and how you can fix it. So first one, what you have to do is just have to go over here on the games launcher. As you can see that I'm installing the Fortnite right now, and I have seen many users are having this issue which is called fix waiting in queue error. So we're going to talk about the fix because I found a fix on Reddit, so I just want to share it with you guys. So what you have to just have to click on three dot menu over here. So here, as you can see on the Fortnite, it is installing. So I'll be showing you the same step with Valorant. You have to do the same. The procedure is you just have to verify the game file. Okay, so you just have to click over here because I can't do it here because it's installing. So you just have to click over here, go for verify. This is what you have to do. So this is going to take a little bit time. So once it is done, the next is all about when you get into the lobby, make sure to change the region to OCE because other servers will not let you to play the game, and this is what you have to do. So these are the two basic things which you have to try out to avoid Fortnite chapter 3 is crashing on your PC, and how you can fix this up so you can absolutely play the Fortnite Chapter 3 very easily, and this is what you have to do. So I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.